Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the last of my July beauty boxes. I only have 3 left. I've got my Petit Vour, the box from Fashionista, and my Ipsy Glam bag plus. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, this one right here is my Petit Vour. This is, I believe, 18. I think it's 18 per month. I'll have the price on the screen for you. But yeah, this one is always vegan and cruelty free. This is what the inside looks like. Very, very cute. Always a bright card. Now, their products tend to be deluxe sample size or travel size and sometimes full size. So I don't know what it's going to be, but we're going to find out. So this comes with 4 products, and the card looks like this with the theme, and on the back of it you have the products, a little information about them, and the price. The first thing we got here is John Masters Organics Scalp Stimulating Shampoo. That is what it looks like. Now this little bottle is supposed to be worth $14. I'll have a full price listed as well. I don't know. That's a lot of money for a little guy. It says it's organic spearmint and peppermint oil stimulate and refresh the scalp, while meadow sweet flower extract and eucalyptus oil balance sebum levels. Okay, that sounds lovely. We'll definitely give that a try. Okay, so the next thing we got is Sappho Skin Perfecting Primer, and this looks like it's going to be a full size. I could be wrong, but I'll have that on the screen. It says it is worth $36. Now this is a lightweight, photo nutrient rich, silicone free base formula, providing an extra layer of nourishment between skin and foundation. Okay, I am not sure what's extra special about it, but I will give it a try. Okay, so the next thing we got here is GoldFaden MD Pure Start Cleanser. This little tube here retails for $5. It says it's a hypoallergenic daily cleanser that dissolves impurities and removes dead skin, excess oil, and makeup in one simple step. Now, GoldFaden is really good. I don't really have a need for a small tube like that right now, so I am going to stick that into my next big giveaway. Alright, the next thing we have here is Moon River Naturals Peppermint Lava Salt Soap. That is what it looks like. This bottle here retails for $9. It says it's for the face, hand, and body. This all-natural soap is enhanced with black lava salt, peppermint, and a pinch of activated charcoal for a light detox. Now, I have used this before. It is good, but it wasn't really for me, so I am going to pass that along as well into the next big giveaway. Alright, we are moving on to the next subscription, which is the box. This is a $25 per month subscription box, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Alright, here is the card with the theme, of course, and on the back side you got the products with some brief information about it. So let's go ahead and see what we got inside. Now, they used to do more than 5 or 6 in a box. I don't know why, but lately they've not put as much. I'm not sure what's going on, but anyways, let's go ahead and look. Alright, so this is from Aloisia, I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, Beauty. This is a 3-in-1 stem cell system. That's what it looks like. This here is supposed to retail for $12.50. It says it is a plant-based stem cell antioxidant, natural marine and botanical ingredients to cleanse, replenish, provide intense hydration for skin depleted from environmental stress or travel. Okay, so this is probably something really great to use in the summertime and traveling, but I am probably not going to use it, so I'm going to stick that into the next big giveaway as well. Alright, the next thing we got here is Mudmasky Leave On Summer Mask. This is $45. It says this is a lightweight SPF 15 allergen-free formula made with 5 nourishing flowers with anti-aging benefits, moisturizing without making your skin oily. So this kind of sounds like it acts like a moisturizer, but a little bit thicker for dry weather. So yeah, I'll give it a try. Alright, the next thing we got is Tropicgal, I think I said that right, Naturals. This is a face serum here, worth $37. It is an all-natural, lightweight, non-greasy formula created for all skin types to moisturize, restore elasticity, fight acne, and help with scarring and cell turnover. Now, I don't have a lot of face scarring or acne, but I will definitely use it. I love my face oils without a doubt. Here is the bottle and the dropper itself. I am not opening it because I am not ready to use it, but I will be using it. Alright, the next thing I got is Love Light Lips. This is worth $28. This is a healing lip gloss with aloe, jojoba oils, vitamin E, and shea butter for happy moisturized lips all summer. Light up wand and mirror for those touch-ups on the glow. Okay, so let's see. Apparently it has a shade, and the shade is Peace. So I'm very curious about it now. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Yeah, I'll definitely be using that. Look at that. So let's see. It does have a mirror. It says peel off right now. You see that? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the color, because now I'm curious about the color. Okay, so there is the color, and let's go ahead and swatch. So it is very sheer. Let's check out the light. Yep, that definitely lights up. That is pretty cool. I am so excited about that. Alright, the last thing in this box is a palette from IBY called Poolside. And I do not have this palette, and I'm excited about that because if you don't know already, I really do love IBY products, and this is a palette I don't have by them, so very excited. Let's go ahead and look at the colors inside. Alright, so here are the colors. Put that paper aside. Very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these because I know I'm going to use this. Okay, so these are the colors swatched. These colors are really, really pretty. I think they're more on the brown and pink side, except for a couple of them. A couple of them obviously aren't. I think these are great summer colors. If you'd like me to do a look with this palette, just let me know down below. Would you like a summer look or fall look, whatever? I can do a look with that. Alright, the last bag I got, or box, is my Ipsy Glam bag, and it used to come with a card with the description, all that. Does not anymore. They have it listed online, so I will have the prices listed on the screen for you. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we got here is a Vitamin C Night Moisturizer from Dr. Eve Youth. I'm not sure. That is the tube it comes in. I think I selected this. Maybe I didn't. I don't remember. But I love night creams, so of course I'm excited about this. I mean, night creams make your skin stay very nice and dewy in the morning. Alright, the next thing we got here is Dermadeli Citrus Gold Oil. It says it stimulates cells and enhances radiant skin, and that is what it looks like. I'm going to drop it. There we go. As you can see, it looks like there's some gold flakes in the bottom. See if I can shake it up and show you. Do you see it? Very pretty. The next thing we got is from Juice Beauty. This is a SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. These moisturizers with the SPF, definitely a must. More so in the summer, but really you should be using them all the time anyways, because it's just really good for your skin and helps keeps it from getting age spots and aging and all that stuff. Okay, so this is the tube. That is what it looks like. Alright, the next thing we got here is Black Card Lift, Curl, and Lengthen Mascara from Il Mikage. I never can say that, but anyways, that is what it looks like, and I'm kind of excited about it because they do make really, really good products. Let's see what the tube looks like here. Okay, so it is a nice plain white tube. I do think that looks really kind of chic, but anyways, we are moving on to the last product in this box, which is Basic Beauty. This is a bronzer palette. Now this does have 3 colors. It is Natural, Cinnamon, and Bad and Bronzy. So let's look at the case here. And here are the colors. I think that'll be okay on my skin. I don't know, they kind of look like they might be a little too much, but I'll give it a try. Anyways, that is it of this video. Let me know what you think of these boxes and the products in them. And if you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.